Hello everyone, today we're making Karaage Chicken. My first time making this, so please go gentle in the comment section. Now Karaage Chicken is usually made with chicken thighs, so I went out and bought some chicken thighs. No gloves. I live alone, just me, so alright, let's see if I get ptomaine or not. Just kidding. Okay, so you want to debone this thigh first. Now there are various, what do you call it? There are various videos on how to debone a chicken thigh, and I've only done it I think once or twice before, but it is a relatively simple process. Just make sure you have a sharp knife that can glide through this meat, because a dull knife will get you into trouble. Now I am not very good at this, not really, but anyway, so let's cut this baby up. Not a stellar job at this, okay? So anyway, this is our deboned chicken thigh, okay? So first thing, let me get rid of this. First thing, we're gonna cut this up into nice bite-sized pieces, okay? We have our deboned chicken thighs ready to go, okay? Back in a flash. And we are back. So I got this recipe from japancenter.com. japancenter.com. Now this is the simplest recipe I've seen for karaage. We have basically 4 ingredients. We have 5 grams of ground ginger. I did not measure this, just eyeballing it. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And it said 1 tablespoon of sake, but I did not have any sake. I only had this, focus, Shaoxing cooking wine. Cool accent, huh? Shaoxing. And I asked for 2 cloves of garlic, but I didn't have any garlic. I only had this garlic powder. And then we need some potato starch. Okay, so we combine this 1, 2, 3, 4 items in a bowl. And then we add in the chicken. Let it marinate in the fridge about a half an hour or so. And then we're almost ready to cook. All right, let's do it. Okay, it's been a couple hours, and so I got the chicken that was marinating in the refrigerator. The recipe says drain your liquid and then add in some potato starch and then go from there. But I'm just going to transfer the chicken into this container right here, give it a shake, and coat these babies with the potato starch. Now, it said to use a 1/4 cup. This is probably a little bit more than a 1/4 cup. Okay. Should be hot enough now. They always do this chopstick test. Whoa, there we go. Okay. Yeah. So let's drop these babies in here about 5 minutes. I'm always nervous when doing these things. Oh, there we go. Okay, that was probably more than 5 minutes. I didn't time it, sorry about that. Now, you see it does look pretty brown, so I think it's done. Put these guys here. Let them cool off for a bit. Okay, and there we have it. Here's our karaage chicken, a little bit of rice, some sliced cabbage, and for dipping sauce, you know, you don't need it or get your own. Today we have a little bit of mustard, and I grabbed some Pioneer Woman barbecue sauce, Frontier. Hey, why not, right? Grab my chopsticks. Okay, but first, let's take one without any dipping sauce. Taste is okay. Texture is okay. It's not as crunchy as I would like it. The only thing that's really kind of maybe too much is the Shaoxing cooking wine. That flavor does come through pretty good, right? But like I always say, nothing's perfect. Okay. Let's try to dip this little guy into some mustard and some Pioneer Woman barbecue sauce, Frontier. Okay. Ow, damn. Shit. Sorry. I touched the that hot pan, which is off screen. Okay? And check it out. These oily fingers, yeah. Okay. Overall, easy recipe. I think if you had sake instead of the Shaoxing Chinese cooking wine, then the flavor may be a little bit different. But it's an easy recipe. It was just, what was it? Soy sauce, some garlic, some ginger, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, the Shaoxing cooking wine, and cornstarch or potato starch. And that's pretty much it, you know? Easy recipe. All right, you guys. Thank you very, very much for joining us today. I'm going to finish my karaage chicken. It's not perfect, and I hope you do have a chance to try it. Oh, one more thing also. Now you can buy the pre-made karaage powder and just skip everything. Just get the powder, I think. Just the powder, coat it, and fry it. But I want to try this today just to test out my cooking skills. All right, like I always say, if you see it, buy it, try it. Hope you like it. Take care of you. Have a great day.